Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? S squared is equal to 3 to the power of x. Solution. Now from here, let's take the natural log of both sides of this equation. Ln of s squared is equal to ln of 3 to the power of x. Now, here we have, if you have ln of a to the power of b, this is equal to b ln of a. Then this can be written as 2 ln of x is equal to s ln of 3. Now here we have 2 here and we have s here. Let's divide both sides of this equation by 2x. This divided by 2x. Now this 2 we cancel this 2 and this s we cancel this x. We have ln of x divided by x is equal to ln of 3 divided by 2. Take note of this, that if you have e to the power of ln of b, this is equal to b. Also, if you have e to the power of ln of s is equal to s. And if you have e to the power of ln of y, this is equal to y. Then this can be written as ln of s divided by e to the power of ln of s is equal to ln of 3 divided by 2. That is, here, anywhere you see s, here we put e to the power of ln of x. Then this can be written as ln of s multiplied by e to the power of ln of s, that is minus ln of s, according to the law of indices, is equal to ln of 3 divided by 2. Then at this point, let us apply the Lambert W function. And it says that W bracket A multiplied by E to the power of A is equal to A. And we have to make this look the same thing like this and this power. So here, let's introduce negative here and let's introduce negative here. So we have W bracket minus ln of s multiplied by E minus ln of s is equal to W bracket minus ln of 3 divided by 2. Then from here, the whole of this is minus ln of x, which is equal to W bracket minus ln of 3 divided by 2. Now, this can be written as ln of s to the power of minus 1 is equal to W bracket minus ln of 3 divided by 2. Now at this point, let's introduce our e. Then the equation becomes e ln of s to the power of minus 1 is equal to e to the power of W bracket minus ln of 3 divided by 2. Then Take note of this. E ln is equal to 1. Then this become s to the power of minus 1 is equal to e to the power of w bracket minus ln of 3 divided by 2. Now, s to the power of minus 1 is 1 divided by s, which is equal to e to the power of w bracket minus ln of 3 divided by 2. And we are looking for the value of s. We need to get the reciprocal of this. So s is equal to 1 divided by e to the power of w bracket minus ln of 3 divided by 2. And this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.